and I'm very proud of Cecily's Baride's courage and really mentioning up those people that are really trying to fleece our farmers. I was trying to ask Kuria, because this is the first time to hear about these companies at my level. But why are you shouting? I'm telling you, when this conference was brought here, and I think the deputy president said, Meru is a country of brave men. I'm the one who was asked to speak. And I've asked to speak because I cannot feign ignorance. I am very particular when it comes to some issues of integrity and issues that touch on our people. I've picked this mic to ask my coffin directorate from HAFA to confirm whether these people are licensed by us and by HAFA, so that I can make a commitment on what we want to do.
The CS, it is true, I want to confirm, I'm Benson Apoyo, the acting director, Coffee Directorate. It is true, as has been confirmed by Her Excellency Cecil Mberere, it is true that they are licensed by us, Coffee Directorate, under AFA, Agriculture and Food Authority. It is true.
So, this is the direction I'm giving. Immediately we come back to the office on Tuesday morning. We'll have a meeting with you. We cannot allow this to happen. If they want to take me to court, they can do it. We'll sit down and see how to revoke those licenses so that we have a way to end that cartel nature. Although Ndrega tells me the Coffee Bureau has also a solution to the problems that the industry is facing. But before we get to the passage of the law, I will deal with it as long as I have the force and the power of law to deal with it next week.